guys, it's me again. As promised, today it's gonna be a DaVinci Resolve video. I wanna show you how you can get free sound effects library from Blackmagic and how to search through this library very easily. All we gotta do is go inside DaVinci Resolve. So let's go. Okay, so what do we have here is sound library. If you don't have a library installed, you will have the prompt information right here to download it. And what the DaVinci Resolve will do is to transfer you to Blackmagic Design website. Okay, so let's go to Blackmagic support. Add support, latest downloads. You have to find the Blackmagic Fairlight Sound Library. Choose your operating system and hit the download. You have to register your credential. It's free, and after you download it, and to show what's in the library, you can do find the library. I have installed Fairlight Sound Library already, and to see the content, you have to use a little trick because you have to find everything manually. But if you put 3 asterisk stars, you will see all the library that is installed with the titles and the waveform, and you're good to go, basically. That's it from me today. As always, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you love this video, please do subscribe. It makes a difference for me. And remember to turn on the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. So this is it. See ya!